14th, the fans need to be at the stadium to support the team. All of us have to try our best to give the team the loud cheers that they deserve, especially after the last 2 games. So 14th is the next priority, and then we see. And of course, Derby is the most important game for all of us. But step by step, we have to take it step by step.
And when is Hector Eustace is coming? Any update on that? Because supporters are waiting.
I don't have the details. Hopefully, he will be here for the AFC game.
क्या लगता है डर्बी में आपके ख्याल से क्या होने वाला है?
ये टीम को बेस्ट देना होगा, अपने को अपना बेस्ट देना होगा. Results are always on. It's always on God. We just need to give our best and hope for the best. Extra time.
লেটেস্ট নিউজ আর এক্সক্লুসিভ ভিডিওর সঙ্গে আপডেট থাকতে এখনই সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করতে ভুলবেন না যেন।